soar, though trials may come.
Guys, I can't wait to show you this. This is super crazy. I mean, AI just changed the world. Just how crazy is the Google Veo 3 and what can you do with it? Let's find out.
Do you think Nigeria is a country?
No, it is a zoo.
I must win the 2027 elections by all means. These people will continue to suffer.
Prayer. Help me. The government is trying to frustrate us.
Precious, please.
No, I am in love with Benjamin.
Permit me to describe our country as a zoo, a place for thieves, and a dream-destroying nation.
I love Nigeria and the country will be better. With VDM and Obi, we can make the country better.
Okay guys, what exactly is Google Veo 3 and how can you create videos just like the ones you saw previously? First of all, the Google Veo 3 is a new AI model which you can use to create realistic videos, and this is not limited. You can create real life videos of non-existing people like the ones you saw previously. When I talk of real life people, I mean people like this. All right, then you can also create cartoons, and this is not limited to 2D cartoons. You can create 3D animations. You can also create 2D animations on the Google Veo 3. With a single prompt, you can generate both audio and video. So the Google Veo 3 is something you don't want to miss. Here's the good part. There's a simple way you can get access to this Google Veo 3 for free, and then you have access to all the features. Note, all the videos I created above, I did not pay a dime. They were generated for free. And if you follow this video up to the end, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can get this right away. So let's get straight down to business. First of all, how was I able to create these videos? You simply need to go to your Google and then search Veo 3. Then you scroll down to this place where you see DeepMind. Then once you click, you'll be taken to this place where you have to choose create with flow. All right, once you are here on your Google Veo 3, if you've already created an account and you are set, all you have to do is input your prompt and your videos will be generated. The type of prompt you input will go a long way to determine if your video will appear nicely or not. So I'm going to show you some of the prompts I use and the results they generated so that you can replicate something similar or try to explore and know how to generate prompts. Also, there are certain mistakes you should avoid in order not to get into trouble. So if you follow this video gradually, I'm going to be giving you some of those tips so that you'll be able to do things just like this. So this was the prompt I used to generate this video right here.
I believe in my dreams. Trials may come, but I'll stay firm.
It has to do with creating 3D animations. If you're able to input a prompt like this, it will generate a video just like this. Also, if you wish to generate videos related to maybe Africa, the keyword you should use mostly should be the African country's name, or the African country's name. If you look at this particular video, I generated it using this prompt. As you can see, this was the prompt I used. Then if you wish, you just have to describe the character exactly how you want the character to be.
Precious, please.
No, I am in love with Benjamin.
If you just describe a random African, it's mostly going to bring out a person wearing a native or African attire to show it that it's African or a Nigerian attire. In this particular video, for instance, I was very clear with the prompts, and then I said don't use a native attire. You understand? So you just have to describe the scene. You have to describe in quotes what you want your character to behave like, and then obviously you get something like this. If you wish to get access to the Google Veo 3 for free, all you need to do is go to the website just the way I showed you, and then once you come to this page, you will notice that they offer a free trial for every new email. You'll be required to choose a payment method, and then that's it. So you can either pay directly using your card, or you'll be redirected to your Google Play Store to make payments there. Once that is done, you have access to the Google Veo 3 for free. Note, you'll be given 1000 credits, and you need to make good use of these credits. There are certain things you need to avoid in order for these credits not to waste. And I'm going to be showing you that for staying up to this point in this video. Once you are given your 1000 credits, if you wish to generate any video based on your prompt, you need to look at the number of credits that video will take. So it is usually written right here, as you can see on the screen. It will tell you that the settings you've put in place will use this number of credits. So if you notice it is consuming like 100 credits, you quickly change the settings so that it will be able to take maybe 10 to 20 credits, let's say 20 credits, because the moment you are using 100 credits, imagine you are going to be giving 1000 free credits. So if you use 100 credits per video, obviously you are not making more than 10 videos. This is an important tip, that's why I did not leave it out. Make sure you check these settings, and then you can enjoy your Google Veo 3. So feel free to try new prompts, test out new things, and you are good to go. Do well to activate your free trial. Note, don't forget to cancel your free trial if the card you are making use of has money in it, to avoid being charged when the date is due. So thanks for watching this video. If you found value, don't forget to like and subscribe so that I'll create more quality content like this one.